Here's a couple word problems in your homework this week. As I always say, it's best to read these problems 2, even 3 times to get what you're doing. Carson bought 17 cartons of ice cream and 9 cartons of yogurt. Each carton of ice cream cost $11, and each carton of yogurt cost $6. How much more did Carson spend on ice cream than yogurt? So at the end, we're trying to figure out how much more did he spend on ice cream than yogurt. So that's our overall question. So we're going to write down parts. Carson bought 17 cartons of ice cream. 17 cartons ice cream. And 9 cartons of yogurt. 9 cartons yogurt. Each carton of ice cream cost $11. So here's my ice cream. So each one of those 17 cost $11. We're going to multiply. We got each. Each, there's a multiplying word, especially in the statement. Each in the statement. Each carton of yogurt costs $6. So each of those cartons of yogurt costs $6. How much more did Carson spend on the ice cream than yogurt? So first, let's figure out how much he spent on ice cream. Altogether, he spent 17. Oh, let's do this. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. That 1 is worth 10. So we're going to start with a 0. 1 times 7. 1 times 1. Add them together. 7. So he spent $187 on ice cream. And if we go over here, 9 times 6, that would give us 54. He spent $54 on yogurt. So back to our original question. I'm going to read it a third time. How much more did Carson spend on ice cream than yogurt? So try to figure out how much more we're trying to find a difference. Whenever you're trying to find the difference, you need to subtract. So 187 minus 54 is going to give us $133 is how much more he spent on ice cream than yogurt. So that's how we had to figure out that problem. On this problem, Ryan earned $13 per hour. Last week he worked 10 hours on Monday, 7 hours on Tuesday, and 6 hours on Wednesday. He had Thursday off, and then worked 2 hours on Friday. How much money did Ryan earn in all last week? So we're trying to figure out how much he earned in all last week, but he works 13 hours per hour. So each hour he works, he gets $13. So let's figure out how many hours he worked altogether. 10 on Monday, 7 on Tuesday. He worked 6 hours on Wednesday. He didn't work on Thursday, so just leave it blank, no big deal. And 2 hours on Friday. So if you add all those together, altogether, he worked 17, 23, 25 hours. And he made $13 for each of those hours. So now we're going to have a multiplication problem. 25 hours times 13 for each hour. And that would give us 15. Carry my 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. That 1 is not a 1, it's worth 10, so we're going to start with a 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. Add the math. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry my 1 is 3. So all together, he worked 25 hours and made $13 each of those hours. He made a total of $325. I hope this helps you to solve these problems. Good luck.